OSPF 1 we are using. And if I want to show you one more thing, let me show you here, because this is a router which is connecting area 1 to area 0. If you remember what we call that router, if I write here show IP process, you can see here this is a router which is connecting the area 0 to area 1. So here if you go, you can see here somewhere you will find that here it is not showing show IP protocol. Here it should come, or let me put another command, show IP OSPF, and check here. When you write show IP OSPF, you can see here it is an area border router. It is a area border router. What is the meaning of that one? It is a area border router because if you remember in the theory in our CCNA or CCNP batch, we already discussed when a router which is used to connect the different area to area 0, that router we are calling as a ABR, area border router, which is used to connect the different area to area 0, because here this is only the router which is connecting to different area. That's why we are calling this one as a ABR. So now we will do in this router configuration, we will enable the DHCP server, we will assign the IP, we will do the sub interface, and then it will start working. Meanwhile, what we need to do, we will have one more company. Imagine in future you will have one more company. Example here, this is a small company, I can say. We have one company. This one is a very small company. You have maybe 2 routers there. Okay, 2 routers are there here in this company, like this, and you can say you have here one switch and you have some PCs here. Here 2 PC, here 2 PC, and you want to connect this machine. So later you will connect this small company to our network. Whatever you have, this big network, we will connect that also. So here, see here, this is a small company. Later we will connect this company to that company also. So what we can say here, if you see here, I will say this is a router number already we use till R4, so I will give R5 and R6 here, so we will not have any confusion. After that I can give here, like here also we can give some VLAN something. So here in between IP schema we are going to use like 192.168. Here we will use like 56.0/24. Later we will do the subnetting, but now we will use this. And here also you will have the VLAN we use till 70, I think 70 or 80, let me see here, VLAN 80, till 80 we use. So we can say here in this side you will have VLAN 90 and VLAN 100. You will use the subnet here 192.168.90.1/24. You will use 192.168.100.1/24. Okay, this side, this one, and same thing here you will use. If you see VLAN, we can say 110, and we can use one more VLAN name. You can give whatever name you want to give later. I will write here 120, and then I will write here IP 192.168.110.1 and 192.168.120.1. okay, this will be the gateway. So we will have sub interface here, same thing as we done before, similar thing. Later we will connect this company to this network. We will see how we can connect, what we will do. So this is our another company. You can plan that one and do this also. We will do, no problem. And switch we use what number? We use till 4. So this one we can say switch 5. and switch 6 here, switch 5 and switch 6 here, and let me save this one, else we will lose if anything go wrong here. So here you can keep like this, and you can add some more computer. I am doing from scratch everything because many students request to do from scratch. They want to check how we are connecting and how we are doing. That's why I am doing this way. Okay, so here you can just put whatever you have the option. We need to enable DHCP, everything we need to do. Later we need to connect this network. So here you can just draw the box without color also you can draw. You can say this is for VLAN, different VLAN, this is for different VLAN, or you can put with color also. That is up to you what you want to do, which color you want to use. Okay, so let me make some box or something. You can put color also, your wish, whatever you want. Here what I will do, let me move this here so it will be easy. So this box, whatever I am putting here without color, because you can put color also. This is for VLANs, different VLANs. I can say this is VLAN 90, VLAN 90, sorry, and here we are using, you can use anything whatever you need, VLAN 100, and here what VLAN you have here, VLAN 110, because some students get confused, that's why I'm using different VLAN, everything differently I'm using that one, so it will no confusion with the students. Okay, this is all the thing what we done. So later we will connect this. So first of all, before going to this network, first in our next class we are going to finish this one, and then we will check, and then we imagine this is our network, our company, we have different branches in different city or different country, then we purchase this company also, and we told we need to integrate this company network with our head office network, so all the IP phone, everything will work, and all the guys can communicate with each other. They can send the data, receive the data, all the thing they will do. For that purpose we need to connect this branch also. This is another company, later you purchase this company, you buy this company, and you integrated this company with this one, like that we have scenario. So in our next class we will do that one. Let me save this, let me save this. I think everything I put today I will send this in the what we call in the Telegram, you can review. Okay, I think if anything I missing, let me check if I miss anything. Switch 1, switch 2, switch 3, so till switch 3 and R1, R2, R3 we done here. So R1, R2, R3, this is also look good, so we can end the session. Thank you.